You don't need tickets to the game. Final Four weekend has something for the whole family, including FanFest. Once you step into the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center, you're transported to a sports wonderland of sorts. Photojournalist Lee Carpio takes us inside and shows us around.
Everything's bigger in Texas, that's for sure. We're from New York City. This is my first time ever this far south. It was a bucket list. So to be down at the Final Four with my brothers on my 50th birthday, I'm having a fantastic time.
It's a great, great city to host the Final Four. It's been phenomenal.
It's really crazy, like, how they all put this together. Either, like, the Combine or, like, this 360 photo thing we just did. That was really cool.
The kids are having fun. It's a big basketball town. It'd be cool if we had it more often.
I really liked everything because it's really interactive and really gets you to be a part of the whole experience, but especially the Powerade Combine. I like that.
I see Loyola's Cinderella run ending.
I think Villanova's going to win.
Loyola is going to be the national champions.
And I see ultimately Jay Wright cutting down the nets.
It is the best. I'm gonna be heartbroken Monday night because then we're gonna be without it for 7 months.
The FanFest will be at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. The times vary each day. We have everything you need to know about Final Four weekend on our website, including information about the events, as well as street closures downtown. Just go to www.ksat.com/Final Four.